old friend Josephus from Cooking with Josephus. Now if there's one thing I hate, it's spilling things and ruining my good clothes. Is you a clumsy idiot? Do you make big meals but bigger messes? Perhaps you need a custom apron courtesy of Ratty Ass Customs, courtesy of Shat Your Pants Customs, courtesy of Rassafras Customs, courtesy of Sassafras Customs, courtesy of Sassafras Customs. Sassafras Customs just became the official apron provider of Cooking with Josephus, and all it's missing now is your ad here. And West Virginia ain't just known for black lung and dirtbag gypsy paving scams. It's known for Sassafras customizing shirts, backs of shirts, more other stuff, and Cooking with Josephus aprons. Another thing West Virginia is famous for is lagniappe. Now that's a Cajun word that they speak over there in the hills, and it means a little something extra. So if 25 people go ahead and like and follow Sassafras Customs, and then 25 people share and like my video, one of y'all is going to get a game worn Cooking with Josephus Dang Man aprons. Keep your favorite shirts mostly clean and hide embarrassing crotchal sweaty areas, man. Again, once Sassafras Customs gets 25 likes and this video gets 25 shares, somebody's a winner. Then you can unfollow and delete. It's that easy. Just go ahead and click the link and check out Sassafras Customs next time you need a customized item for a special occasion or even a not so special occasion. Speaking of following and unfollowing, you can follow and unfollow me at YouTube and Instagram at Cooking with Josephus, or on the Twitter or the TikTok at Josephus TV. Now, if you'd like to sponsor an apron or an episode of Cooking with Josephus, you can call me any old time at josephustv at AOL.com. That's Josephus TV, like Tennessee Balls, at AOL.com. You got something you'd like to see me try to cook? Leave it in the comments below or email me a recipe, man. I'll make it up. For real. Until then, keep your grill grates greasy and your dinner plate clean.